What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this video will be quick cause I just wanted to update you guys on this little thing that the security app in MIUI 10 has been updated. Yes, we finally get the newer security app. Well, besides that, literally nothing. This is just today's build, July 9th, and let's just now explore. So opening up the app, as you can see, the whole new UI, just as we saw in the keynote, you get a optimize button over here and it looks much fresher. I mean, the UI is wide. Yeah, it kind of looks dull for some of the people who are used to MIUI's vibrant colors, such as for example going to the status bar, you have colors. Now it's just blur and blank. Well, same thing over here, but as you can see, you get your normal features as it is. Well, inner tabs have been yet to be updated. Two of them have been already updated, as I have been telling you guys in my Redmi Note 3 MIUI 10 update video, but here you go. So this is the home page. I don't know how to explain, but it feels much smoother than before. I don't know why, but still feels smoother than before, which is a very welcome change. So going to the cleaner is still the older one, yet to be updated. Then the security scan has been updated. As you can see, it looks white and much better than before. Just look at it counting. There you go. Everything looks good. Pretty promising animations over there. Then again you have battery has also been yet to be updated. Then again data usage has been updated. As you can see, it says no data cause I don't have any kind of SIM over here, but if you have a SIM card inside your phone, this is very helpful. Over here on the bottom you can top up your phone. Not pretty sure whether it works in India or not, but restrict background data usage, then data usage stats, pretty helpful, just like Samsung. Over here you get more options to control it. But let's just go back. Then again you have manage apps, which is just basically same as before. And then game speed booster, which is again same as before, but as you can see, it has been shifted above rather than being at the bottom. So most of the people didn't even know about this thing, but as you can see, the setup looks quite clean, as same as before, to be honest. Just because the font has been updated on the MIUI 10, it looks a bit more sharper. And then scrolling down, you just get app log, which has a huge banner over here. I don't know why, but on the bottom you get deep clean as before. I don't really recommend using this because it will delete some of your important files without even you noticing it. Then again dual apps as before, second space, block list, WeChat cache, which is just a cleaner for WeChat Messenger. We Indians don't use it, so no use at all. Then again QQ cleaner, which is a messenger by Tencent, just like WhatsApp cleaner, it works the same. Then you have red envelope, don't have a huge idea on what it is. And then you just have the test network where you can just test your mobile data. If you want to check your Wi-Fi, you can always go here, test it. I don't know what's wrong, I do have Wi-Fi, but I guess that's the chapter over there. And in terms of another things such as the July 9 update, you just get your June security patch in Redmi Note 5 Pro or in Redmi Note 4, pretty much the same. Also the cards look much more rounder than before, and the UI is butter smooth. Earlier I was using a overclock for GPU in order to minimize those animations, but now the UI just feels smoother. Well, you have to kind of compromise on the battery life for it, but works pretty great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.